Wouldn't it be nice if every time you were the victim of a rug pull or a scam, you got a second chance to go back and maybe avoid it or at least recoup some of the money that you lost? Well, I have a story for you. It's the story of MetaRats. Remember MetaRats? It was the number one grift, scam, rug pull in the entire Cosmos ecosystem, whatever you want to call it. Maybe not a textbook rug pull, but it was definitely loosely fits the definition of a slow rug. How about that? Well, the project has been fully clawed back by the community of holders. What does this mean? It means the collection is no longer in the hands of the grifting founders, which did absolutely nothing except make promises and follow through on none of it. They also cashed out over $1 million in mint proceeds. Good for them. But the community is in charge of not only the collection, the Discord, the Twitter, the website, but also the project wallet, which contains over $30,000 in crypto assets. Not bad for a slow rug, I'll say. Well, to finish this recovery effort, the community has gone a step further. They've orchestrated a migration, a burn and swap, which essentially will pull the collection off Stashh, the original launch pad, the original marketplace, where almost $1 million in secondary market volume happened. And they're going to bring the collection over to Stargaze, where all the fun is happening. We'll look at how this works and more. I'll demonstrate for you. But first, please remember to like the video. I'll wait. Okay. Subscribe to the channel. I'll wait. This helps me out immensely, as you've heard me say before. And yeah, remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just a holder. I'm here to demonstrate what to do if you're also a holder and want to migrate your rat. And we'll walk through that process and we'll look at some of the things that should make you excited to be a holder if you're still holding and if you're still around. So yeah, let's get to it. Here are the meta rats, and holy hell, if this doesn't represent the best and the worst of generative art, I don't know what does. I love this collection. I minted this. I spent $500 on two rats. Even after I knew the project was basically a slow rug, I didn't care. I got a holographic printout of one of my rats. I got a t-shirt made of the other one. Yeah, this is pretty bad for a rug pull. I loved something about just like their posture, the creepiness, the colors just popped. Bunch of stupid generative art items in the hands and on the heads and in the mouths of these guys. I mean, artist, are you? Are you an artist if you make this? But it doesn't matter. It's an iconic collection. Back in the day, a bunch of founders and YouTubers, influencers, they got freebies. They were essentially leveraged for the marketing of this would-be rug pull. They had their PFPs. Everybody was all excited to mint because Stashh, a secret, was the only place to get Cosmos NFTs back then. It was like top of the altcoin bull market. And then what happened? Founders ran away, right? Runaway investor. They ran away. They walked away slowly, looking over their shoulders. Oh, yeah, we'll do this. Oh, yeah, we'll make this. Did nothing. They basically put the most, I don't know what you want to call her, worst Discord moderator possible in charge of the project. She basically scared away all the community, blocked people for asking questions, was just nasty to everyone, got paid to do it out of the project wallet until finally the community was able to, with all the tenacity it possibly took, get the project away from these people who don't care about it and into the hands of the people that do. That's the community. And this is the wonderful, wonderful collection. Let's go to Twitter, where some of the fun is. Here we go. For me, this is the tweet of the week. Stargaze Shane, founder of Stargaze, says, looks like we got a rat infestation. I don't know what we've got, but we have a pretty hardcore community bringing an iconic collection to Stargaze for once, not away from Stargaze. Migrating to Stargaze is kind of a new thing. And yeah, we got MetaRats on Stargaze. I think there's going to be a ton of volume for these guys. I hope a quarter to a third of the collection makes it over. They were over 3,000. I would love to see 800 of these guys on the Stargaze marketplace. I mean, 600 even might be a little bit overly optimistic, but there are some collection whales. Maybe they see this video or see the tweets and they realize, oh, the project's resurrected. Let me bring mine over to Stargaze because I like Stargaze, right? Stargaze is where all the fun is. It's where the party's at. You see that spit fly? First time ever on my channel where I spit and didn't edit it out. So, yes, Shane, you get the tweet of the week. Hilarious. I know you like this. And I know the Stargaze community probably has mixed feelings because the same team was able to pull a second slow rug. It was just more like a fast rug on Genesis Day, Stargaze Rats or whatever the hell it was called. Horrendous looking collection, even worse than this one. At least this one is so ugly it looks good. The other one, no redeeming quality whatsoever. I didn't even try to mint it, but yeah, they've already got a collection on Stargaze. Don't even know what it's trading for, but it is a Stargaze, a Genesis collection. I think the Genesis collections have some value, historically speaking, not intrinsic value, obviously, but now we've got the OG MetaRats, which should probably drive a little bit of volume into the Stargaze rats. I don't even know what they were called, but then they'll crash to zero, and then hopefully these get some attention that they deserve because they're awesome. I've said this so many times and gotten made fun of. The original MetaRats collection is just awesome, ugly and awesome at the same time. But let's see what the project actually has. It's not just all pretty looks. They got a lot more coming. And then, and then I'll show you how to migrate your collection. So just stick it out. A couple more minutes. Here is the DAO. This is on DAO. It was created in August of 2022. Multisig is composed of 6 individuals. All of them, Oni, Rarma, Jake Grieve, Ponzi. And these two I'm not familiar with, but I think one of them is one of the Whisper Node guys. They were all integral in making this happen. Back and forth with the founders, waiting weeks for a reply, arguing politely with them. Hey, can we have the royalties? Can we have the wallet, the Twitter, whatever? It took forever. It wouldn't have happened without these people. And there are others too. Gigi, I'll shout you out. You're the one that kept me interested in the project. So, yeah, there is actually a DAO. And really difficult to run a DAO with secret NFTs. Stargaze is the place where I think DAOs will be run from in the future, even though DAO is on Juno. I mean, DAO could really be on any chain or something like it. And you want your NFTs, at least for the time being, on Stargaze. So, yeah, got a cheese vault. Here's the wallet, DAO. If you want to check that out, I'll put the link in the description below. Let's see what else. Oh, the portfolio. Yeah, that's important. Here's the portfolio on the dashboard on Pulsar. I almost said Quasar, Pulsar. And yeah, these are just the staked assets. This does not count the 22K in liquid assets. There are rewards paid out from this. If you're an active member in the Discord, you know all about the rewards. I am not an active member in the Discord. I've never won. That's what I get for not participating, but they did pay out. They paid out gifts to people that stuck it out. And I hope some people won more than once because there were people engaged the entire time. You deserve something for it because without the people that were holding it down in the Discord, and I hate Discord, we know that. Without those people, this would have never materialized. That's where all the important conversation happened, where all the ideas were bounced around. A bunch of ideas were decent, a bunch of ideas didn't get followed, but that's okay because we ended up with the best situation, and that's a 2-click migration from Stashh to Stargaze. I'll show you that right now. Right now. Here's that original MetaRats website, or at least it looks like it, but this is actually the burn and swap application. Connect to Kepler here. Don't know what's going to happen. I haven't done this yet. Requesting to connect to secret. Yeah. Approve. Ensure you're connected to the right wallet. Let's check that right now. Yes, I am. Click begin swapping. It can't be this easy, can it? Why is it that only NFT projects know about UI UX? I don't know. So 2 clicks. I'm going to move NFTs from one blockchain to another. I'm all in for this. wallet is popping up. 74 people already did this. That's kind of a lot. And I just clicked approve. It says burning MetaRats. I don't know what's going to happen. Literally just burn my MetaRats. I paid like $500 for them. I think I had more, but I guess I sold them. I don't know. I thought I had five, but I guess I got two. These are my famous ones. I got this guy on a shirt, got this guy. No, this guy's on a shirt. This guy I have on some artwork that I used to hang on the wall behind me. It says swap successful. I don't understand how the Cosmos Hub paid $150,000 to do this ICS 721. They should have just paid MetaRats community to do this, and then the community could split the revenue between the developers, the platform, and the holders. I really don't get this. But once again, NFTs for the win. But yeah, it's as easy as that. And like I said, NFTs for the win. Why do rugged NFT projects are better than DeFi at UIs? All right. So I did buy another one and send it over. The thing about this app is that it migrates everything over in your wallet in one click, which I think is great. But if you don't want that, you have to separate your rats. I bought one off the secondary because I thought I had more. And yeah, there it is. I've got three on Stargaze. Let's take a look at MetaRats on Stargaze. This is a historic event for MetaRat bag holders everywhere. I'm going to click right now. Boom. Here we go. There are MetaRats on Stargaze. I don't know how that's possible. Metadata, everything. It's there. Tattoo, colored. Don't even see a tattoo, but hey, this is how the collection was designed. This is one of my guys. Another one of my guys, and then I got the hologram of my kind of rare one, which is the rat with the samurai helmet and the samurai outfit, whatever the hell, armor. Um, Generative art rarely puts traits together that make sense, but I got one of those. So yeah, this is MetaRats on Stargaze. If you're a holder, you know, get back in the community at least long enough to migrate your rat over and list it, sell it on a marketplace that actually has volume and community and interested people. Yeah, if you're all still upset that you bought a whole bunch of these and you got rugged, well, we re-rugged it, or not we. The community re-rugged it. I was, on the sidelines cheering for it, but I had nothing to do with it. I just made the video. That's my contribution. If you got a rat, migrate it over. If you don't want it, sell it to me. I'll buy it from you. And yeah, MetaRats on Stargaze. Love it. Absolutely love it.